All students may encounter difficulties or fail in a task, which may discourage them. The teacher in this case can make a difference, showing his or her students how a mistake or failure in a task can be important in their growth and to be a starting point. FLIPGRID is an educational video discussion platform designed to enable teachers and students to create and share videos. It's a tool that allows you to provide feedback anywhere, anytime. Students don't need an account on the platform. You can generate a link to the video and send it to students in any desired way. While audio feedback offers students a new experience in learning, video feedback humanizes it even more.
Pretty cool, huh?